In today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your CIBC Costco's Mastercard account. And it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel, How to Guide, then hit that subscribe to our channel with notification turned on, and let's move on. First step, you want to search for CIBC Costco Mastercard login. Once you search for it, it's going to bring you to this page. Over here, click on where it says CIBC Online Banking Sign On. Click on it. Once you do that, it's going to take you to CIBC Bank's login page. Now, in order to have a Mastercard account, you need to have an online banking setup. So let's say you have a Mastercard, but you don't have an online banking account, then you cannot access your Mastercard online. So first, you have to create an online banking account of CIBC Bank. So from inside the account, you can access your Mastercard because your Mastercard will be linked with your online banking account. So if you already have an online banking account and you're following the steps which I'm telling you, once you're over here, just enter your card number, and then where it says password, just enter the password of your account and click on sign on, and you should be able to log in into your online banking accounts of CIBC. From inside there, you can access your Mastercard section and activate it or do anything you want with it. So that's it for today's video. Hit that subscribe button and bye bye.